Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if you've got your fill water light on, the red light warning you to fill with water on your Bosch Tassimo Joy, yet you filled it with water. So if you have a look at the back here, you can see that there's plenty of water in it. It's all the way up to here, but yet it's not being recognised. That's because there's a little float in here and the float has got stuck. So the machine thinks there's no water in here, even though there is water. So I'm going to show you how to free up that float, and then you'll see that this light will disappear. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the water container by just pulling it out like so. And this is the float here. And at the moment it's stuck down the bottom. So the machine thinks it's empty. We're going to take out the filter, so you're going to take out this whole section here, and that will give us access to the float. And now just get your finger in here and move this float up and down, because you might find that it's got a build-up of scale around the place. If you live in a hard water area, you might find that the scale has built up. So keep moving it up and down until it starts moving freely. And now you can see that it's moving freely. You might need to empty the water out and give it a real good clean. But once it starts moving freely, the machine will now not see the float down here, because the float's now up here. And if you look at this, when we put it back in, you will see that the red light will now go out. So put it in here like so, and you can see that the red light has now gone. Thanks for watching.